Hello my dear children. Today we will continue with practice set 13 of the chapter HCF and LCM. Now we will begin with question number 2 of practice set 13. Question number 2 reads, find the HCF and LCM of the number given below. Verify that their product is equal to the product of the given numbers. Now there are two parts in this sum. First you have to find the HCF and LCM. Second part, you have to verify that the product of HCF and LCM is equal to the product of the numbers, whichever number they have given you. Okay, so we'll begin with sum number 1. Sum number 1 is 32 and 37. So I will first find factors of 32. I'll do it really quick. And I'll find factors of the number 37. Okay, 37 is a prime number, so I'll write 37 ones are 37. Now I'll write factors of 32 and factors of 37. Factors of 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and factors of 37 is 37. Okay, now we have to find HCF and LCM. So I will write here HCF is equal to, nothing is common here. Since nothing is common here, so our HCF is going to be 1. LCM is equal to, whatever remains, everything we have to write down because our HCF is 1. So I'll write here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 37. Okay, so when I multiply all of this, my answer comes to 1184. Okay, now this was the first step of the question. They asked you find HCF and LCM. The second part says verify that their product is equal to the product of the given numbers. So we will write here verify that HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to product of the numbers. Okay, so we have to find that HCF multiplied by LCM will be equal to the product of the numbers. So what is HCF? HCF here is 1, so I'll write here 1 multiplied by what is LCM? LCM is 1184. Product of the numbers, which numbers? The initial numbers 32 and 37. So I'll write here 32 multiplied by 37. So 1 into this number would be 1184 is equal to, when I multiply 32 into 37 in the rough column, I will again get the answer 1184. So this is equal to this, so it is proved. So we will write here hence proved. So our sum ends here. Moving to sum number 2. Sum number 2 is 46 and 51. Now I have already written all this. Boys, you already know how to find HCF and LCM. So we will not waste time on the video, and we will only do the second part of the sum. You are supposed to do everything into your notebooks. So 46, the factors of 46 is this, and the factors of 51 is this. So I have written down the factors. I found the LCM and the HCF. So now the second part says verify that HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to product of the numbers. What is HCF here in this sum? HCF is 1 multiplied by LCM is 2346, which is equal to product of the numbers. Now the numbers were 46 and 51 here. 46 multiplied by 51. So when we multiply this, we get the answer 2346. And when we multiply 46 into 51, we again get the answer here as 2346. So we will write here, hence proved. So this was sum number 2. First we find factors, we write the factors, we write HCF, we write LCM, and we do the verification part where HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to product of the numbers. And we end it with writing hence proved because these two are same. Moving to the next sum. Sum number 3 is 15 and 60. We find factors of 15. We find factors of 60. We write down the factors of 15 and 60. Then we circle what is common. We write down the common factors here and the HCF is 15. We write down what was common here and what else was remaining, we wrote down that also, and the LCM is 60. Now the second part is verify that HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to product of the numbers. So what is the HCF here? It is 15 multiplied by, what is the LCM? 60. And what was the numbers? The numbers were also 15 and 60. So here itself you know that they are equal, but still we will multiply it and we will find out. After multiplication, the answer is going to be 900. And since they are equal, we will write here hence proved. Okay, so this was sum number 3. Now we will move to sum number 4. Sum number 4 reads 18 and 63. We found the factors of 18. We found factors of 63. We wrote down factors of 18. We wrote down factors of 63. Circle what is common and write it down. Found the HCF and found the LCM. Now the second part is verify that HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to product of the numbers. So your HCF is 9 multiplied by LCM is 126, which is equal to product of the numbers. The numbers were 18 and 63. So we'll write 18 multiplied by 63. So after multiplying, boys all have to make a rough column and you can multiply this in the rough column. Okay, so after multiplying this, I get the answer as 1134. And when I multiply these two, also my answer will be 1134. They are always going to be equal. Okay, so I write here hence proved. Okay, moving to the next sum. Sum number 5 reads 78 and 104. We find the factors of 78. We find the factors of 104. We write down the factors of your 78 and 104. We circle what is common and we write down the HCF is 26 and the LCM is 312. Okay. Now the second part says verify that HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to product of the numbers. So your HCF is 26 multiplied by 312 is equal to, the numbers were 78, sorry, multiplied by 104. I'll just quickly cancel this. So 26 into 312 is 8112, and so will be when you multiply these two numbers, 8112. So you'll write here, hence proved. Please write these sums in your notebook completely. Thank you.